In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under principles of insurance. So guys, we have about 18 to 20 repeated questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the risk that can be estimated and calculated to be compensated is, we have a systematic risk, a credit risk, a delivery risk, and insurance risk. So the right answer is option D, which is an insurance risk. Okay, the next repeated question is this one. It says, which of the following insurance principle requires a close connection between the actual loss suffered and the risk insured? So we have proximate cause, we have subrogation, contribution, indemnity. The right answer is option A, which is proximate cause. Okay, very important. Next question is this one. It says, a trader who experienced loss fire can be restored by, we have a trade association, an advertising agency, an insurance company, the bank. The right answer is option C, which is an insurance company. Okay, the next question is this one. It says, the compensation the insured gets depends heavily on the real economic situation which suffered, insurance buoyancy, premium paid. The right answer is option B, which is risk suffered. Okay, next question is this one. It says, the two main categories under which marine losses fall into are royal voyage policy loss and time policy loss, actual loss and an average loss, total loss and partial loss, particular loss and average loss. The right answer is option C, which is total loss and partial loss. Alright, next question is this one. It's a principle of insurance which entitles an insurance company to take any advantage due to insured after indemnity is. So we have subrogation, contribution, utmost good faith, proximate cause. The right answer is option A, which is subrogation. Very important. Next question is this one. It says, which most important benefit of insurance is that it provides where control over activity, the insured with a right to premium, the insured with right to full compensation, protection against risk. So right answer is option D, which is protection against risk. Okay, so this is the most important benefit of insurance. Alright, next question is this one. It says, the principle which prevents an insured from receiving a claim that is more than the value of the loss if the property is insured by more than by one company is, we have indemnity, we have Biremia Fido, we have proximate cause, we have contribution. So guys, the right answer to this question is option D, which is contribution. Okay, next question is this one. It says, the most important benefit of insurance is that it provides protection against risks. So guys, that's basically the answer. Okay, option A is the most important benefit of insurance. It provides protection against risk. Okay, next question is this one. It says, the principle which requires the insurance company to disclose to the proposer all material facts of the risks to be covered is, we have subrogation, Biremia Fido, contribution, proximate cause. The right answer is option B, which is Biremia Fido. Okay, take note of this question. Next question is this one. It says, the agreement of insurance to spread risk among themselves in a major feature of, we have reinsurance, life insurance, marine insurance, underwriter. The right answer is option A, which is reinsurance. Okay, next question is this one. This is the principle which requires the insurance company to disclose the proposal all material facts of the risk to be covered. This, I think we're going to attempt a similar question. The right answer here is option B, which is Biremia Fido. Alright, next question is this one. It says, the parties by which an insurance company accepts a very large risk and later shares with other insurance companies is called, we have subrogation, we have insurance, indemnity, contribution. So guys, the right answer to this question is that the parties by which an insurance company accepts a very large risk and later shares with other insurance companies is called reinsurance. Option B. Okay, the next question is this one. It says, the insurance principle that requires full disclosure information on the insured is known as. So guys, if you take notes, this question has been repeated several times, so this shows that it's very important. Right answer here is option A, which is Biremia Fido. Alright, once you have seen disclosure in the sentence, know that it's Biremia Fido. Okay, next question is this one. It says, insurance is a pool of risk which is based on probability. Option D. Okay, next question is this one. It says, the insurance principle that requires full disclosure. See, the same question again. So the right answer is option C, Biremia Fido. Okay, the question is this one. It says pulling off of risk in insurance means that insurance companies should encourage risk taking risk. Two insurance companies can buy two policies. Two people can pool their risk to be insured. Compensation are paid out of a common fund. The right answer is option D, which is compensations are paid out of a common fund. Next question is this one. It says non-insurance risks include weather damage to property, marine problems, death, gambling. So the right answer is option D, which is gambling. Okay, the last question before I end this video is this one. It says by the practice by which an insurance company has set a very large risk and later shares it with other insurance companies is the right answer is option C. It's a repeated question as well, reinsurance. So guys, this is basically how you can do problem involving principles of insurance for your JAMB commerce. We this is a subtopic in A to trade with practice with about 18 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, getting premium information and help you to excel in your exams like your JAMB and other exams you're writing. Okay, so having done this, click the next button.